In front of me is XIAOMI 12S Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can access all your downloads on this device. First of all, you need to find an app called Files. When you find it, click on it. Then select Agree if you never used it before, and click on Storage. All you need to do from here is scroll down and click on Download. As you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. If you want to access one, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!